Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your internet to other people, to other devices. You want other people to have access to your internet and you want them to be browsing with your own data. So let's dive in. So this is your phone now. When you have a phone with you and you wanted to just click on settings, when you click on settings, you go to your connection, click on more connection. No, sorry guys, let's go back. You can see, click on your hotspot. When you click on your hotspot here, just this is personal hotspot, just share hotspot, click on share hotspot. So you can scan, you can tell them to open their own. So when they open their own phone, so they come to exactly where you come to, and they're going to tell you that, and you can scan, you click share, click on share, and you'll be able to share your hotspot. As you can see, turn on your Bluetooth. Then people, once you turn on your Bluetooth, you can see, you can search the phone and you'll be able to connect with you. And another thing you can do is that you can just say, you can just come here, turn on, click on your hotspot. When you click on your hotspot, the other person will click on the Wi-Fi and you can just automatically click. So if they ask for your password, these are your password. Then once you type in your password, you'll be able to connect to your Wi-Fi directly. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.